Learning how to make this DIY paper bag. If you are new to my channel, welcome. This is Rizwana, and in my channel I do all sort of videos related to art. So if you're interested, please subscribe. So the materials we'll be needing are blue color paper, ruler, pencil, glue, 2 equal sized ribbons, and something to make a hole with. So start by using an A4 paper, and we'll be measuring with a ruler 3 centimeter from the top. And now just gently fold it inwards with the 3 centimeter guideline we made. Once we have folded it in, we will now measure 1 centimeter from the corner and then fold it gently inward again. Once we have folded it in, we'll grab our glue and start applying glue in the 1 centimeter fold that we have just made. And then from the left corner of our paper, we will smoothly paste it. Once we have done that, we'll again grab our ruler, and this time we'll be measuring 5 centimeter from the bottom of the paper. And again we will just fold it. Once we have folded it, we will grab the flap of the fold and gently fold it in, and sew as the same as the other flap. And now we will unfold it and then gently pull it outward. And then glue it like so. Make sure both flaps are equal when they are glued together. So now we'll just glue it in. And now we'll fold it like so. And same as the other side. And now just unfold these folds So now once we are done with the paper bag, we will be making the holes to put the ribbon. So just make a guideline with a pencil and start making a hole with any sharp object. So now we will enter the ribbon through the hole. And now we'll just tie a knot. So as you can see, I've already tied the knots. Now do the same thing and pass the ribbon through the other side of the paper bag, and there we go. So to add a little embellishment, I just drew a paper butterfly, but you can do any design you'd love to. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you liked it, subscribe and stay tuned for other videos. Bye.